Okay, let's talk about it. I need a haircut. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Let's talk about it. All right. As you may have heard, if not, I'll put a link in the description. There's a video that's spreading on the internet quite rapidly right now, where this Fabi, Asian guy, Fabi means, fresh off the boat, broken English, funny hair. Fabi, Asian dude, gets jumped by 7 other dudes, and the video is called Defenseless Asian Guy Gets Jumped by 7 Guys, or whatever, right? So as soon as this video hit, I was getting blown up on all my social networks like Twitter, Facebook. Everybody was just, Tim, you gotta watch this video, man. You gotta say something about this, man. You gotta rep for your people, man. You gotta stand up for our people, man, and make a response to this video, man. And then I was like, okay, let's check this out. And I watched the video, and when and at first you watch and you're like, oh shit, why are these guys just totally like beating the shit out of this Asian dude for no reason? That's messed up. I feel it hurts me as an Asian person. The soy sauce in my blood is boiling, but then you really watch it, and if you look, a few of those dudes in the group are Asian dudes. You know what I'm saying? If you look underneath the masks, underneath the ninja masks, those are Asian eyes in there. You know what I'm saying? And the names have been revealed, and they're definitely Asian dudes in that crew of people. So it's not a race thing. You know what I'm saying? We can go ahead and dismiss that. It's not a race thing. So Asian people, we can chill, relax. It's okay. It wasn't a hate crime. It was, it was some yellow on yellow crime. So now that race is out of the way, now you have a disgusting video of a bunch of dudes beating up one dude. Now before I say anything, let me just say, that many dudes beating up another dude is so pussy and so bitch. It's some cowardly shit, you know what I'm saying? The video itself is hard to watch, you know what I'm saying? It's hard to watch anybody get beat up that bad where they're sitting there begging for mercy, getting kicked in the face. I can't watch anybody get kicked in the face without doing this. Oh god, I can't even watch that. But after watching that and getting past that and getting past the fact that it's not a race thing, then it was just kind of a video of a dude getting jumped, and I hate to say it, you guys, but that happens all the time. People get jumped all the time. People get beat up all the time. Like, yeah, it's horrible that somebody would film it and put it online. Like, that's stupid. But I mean, that's nothing new, guys. Like, shit happens, you know what I'm saying? Shit happens that you don't want to see on video, When I was in high school, one of my first days of school, I was trying to pee in the bathroom, and 2 dudes jumped another guy behind me, and that dude wanted to get jumped. He got jumped into a gang. After they whooped his ass for like 3 minutes while I was sitting there holding my dick trying to pee, they got up and shook his hand, welcomed him into the gang, you know what I'm saying? I mean, a block away, a dude I went to high school with got shot and killed outside his house. It's like, shit happens, man. It's an ugly world we live in, and it's not that society is getting horrible. It's like the world has been ugly, man. We're ugly people. Like, it's sad. And now all these stories are popping up about the other guy and saying that there were like actually a crew of like 20 other Fabi Asian guys that beat up that guy first, and those guys were just retaliating. And it's like we'll never know. We'll never know the real story, right? But what we do know is that you have this video of these guys beating up this one dude, and that makes you angry, right? And now you got all these people saying, oh yeah, let me see him on the street, I'll fuck him up. Or like people updating their Facebook, like, yeah, if I saw those guys doing that, I'd hit them with my car, blah 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 blah. You're not gonna run nobody over with your car. And you're not gonna take a bat to no random dude if you see him on the street. What if these guys saw a video of their homie getting beat up by the 25 Asian guys, and they were like, oh, just wait till I see this Asian chinky motherfucker on the street, I'ma fuck him up. Like, that's what you guys are doing, you know what I'm saying? The difference is, this was caught on camera. Hey lady, hey girl that updated your Facebook saying you're gonna hit him with your car, what if you did hit him with your car? Someone caught that on camera. Well damn, that's against the law. Talking shit behind a computer screen about what you want to do to somebody and how much you want to fuck them up and how much you want to rape their puppy and cut their kitten's head off just isn't gonna do anything, Like, if anything, karma will get those dudes. A couple of them already got arrested, I heard, you know? So, like, just let the universe balance itself out, you know? And all you can do is try and spread a little positivity, and some love. Balance that evilness out, you know? That's what I try to do every day. Spread as much love as I can, spread as much positivity as I can, bring up that positive energy, and hopefully it'll spread and come back to me. So all you can do at the end of the day is worry about you. Get off the computer, go give somebody a hug. You know, yeah, if you see some Asian dude getting beat up, you know, always help an Asian. You know what I'm saying? We're always up to good. You know, if you save an Asian for getting beat up, you get like 6 wishes or some shit. It's way better than a leprechaun or a genie. All right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna watch Prison Break till I fall asleep. Love you. Peace.
The royal penis is clean, Your Highness.
Thank you. King shit.